I got my keys a couple of days ago. I just want to take a quick video of the apartment. So here it goes. So this is the living and dining area, which then leads to the passageway towards the rooms. Here you go. It's got a not too bad a distance, not too close, neither not too far away, so it's quite decent. And this is the kitchen, area, and then that leads to the service yard, which is not too bad. It's got some greenery opposite, so if you're cooking and you need some fresh air, you just have some greenery. And then this back to the living, and now it's a bomb shelter, which is pretty much standard. And then this is the first common room. All the rooms have got the same viewing area together with the living. And this is the second common room, which is a little bit bigger than the first. And this is the common toilet, very standard. And this is the master toilet. There you go. And obviously I'll be removing the stickers on the wall and getting a new standard coat of paint. And this is the master bedroom. It's I would say it's a better view from here. A, you got more windows, and B, it's a bit more open. Yep, so that's about it for my house for now. We'll do another video after the renovations. Slight renovation, not too much.